Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your personal tax account on the UK government website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gov.uk/personal-tax-account. Then press enter and you will be taken into the personal tax account website for UK government. Now from the home page, scroll down and you will find the Start Now button. Just click on this button and this will open up the login portal. Now within the user ID section, go ahead and type in the user ID that you set up while creating your account, or you can also enter your email address. Then type in your password that you have set within the password box and then click on the sign in button. As soon as you click on this, you will be signed in to your account for your personal tax services right away. In case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can find the appropriate options to click on underneath Problems Signing In. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your personal tax account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.